this unforgettable journey through the pristine wilderness of Alaska's Endicott Arm, one of the most awe-inspiring fords in the world. Glide through the deep blue waters surrounded by towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush forests as you approach the crown jewel of the trip, the mighty Dawes Glacier. Witness thunderous Calving events as massive ice chunks crash into the sea, and keep your eyes peeled for harbor seals, bald eagles, and even humpback whales. This immersive nature experience offers breathtaking photo opportunities and a serene escape into one of Earth's last green frontiers. As we sail through the stunning Endicott Arm Fjord, sit back and relax, get your camera ready, and focus on this great wonder of the world, and enjoy the trip. Tucked deep within the Endicott Arm Fjord, a narrow, winding waterway carved by ancient ice, Dawes Glacier rises like a frozen giant from the heart of Alaska's wild frontier. This massive tidewater glacier stretches over a mile wide and towers hundreds of feet high, its jagged face glowing in a surreal palette of electric blue, frosty white, and silver gray. As you approach, the silence is broken only by the crackle of drifting icebergs and thunderous roaring of Calving. This is when enormous chunks of ice break free and plunge into the sea below, sending up shimmering sprays of icy mist. Seals launch on floating ice floes, keeping a watchful eye on the passing boats, while the bald eagles circle overhead and sometimes humpback whale rises for air in the distance. Dawes Glacier is not just a natural wonder, it is a living, breathing monument to time, power, and untouched beauty. Standing before it feels like stepping back into a primeval world where the raw forces of nature still shape the earth before your eyes. you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like to see more breathtaking adventures like this one, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.